Hello students, welcome to Bal Govindam Learning App. Today we are going to start chapter number 2. It is on the page number 8. You can see the chapter number 2 is opposite, yani that means antonyms. You have already read about antonyms. Antonyms or opposite words are those words which are opposite, that means ulta. Okay, the word which have opposite meaning with each other are called opposite word or antonyms, like good, bad. Good is opposite of word bad. Okay, now here you can see there are many opposite words, and here are some rules of forming opposite word. Like number 1 rule, you can see here some opposite word can be formed by adding dis. That means if we will add any word dis, then it can be make the opposite of that word, like dislike, honest, dishonest, obey, disobey, allow, disallow. Okay, now the rule number 2, some opposite word can be formed by adding un before words, like kind, unkind, happy, unhappy, lucky, unlucky, well, unwell. Okay, then rule number 3, some opposite word formed by adding in. These all words which are adding just before the word, that is called prefix also, जिसे आप हिंदी में उपसर्ग कहते हैं और इंग्लिश में हम उन्हें कहते हैं प्रीफिक्स. सो प्रीफिक्स कैन ऑल्सो हेल्प टू मेक द वर्ड ऑपोजिट. ओके, नाउ इन, करेक्ट, इनकरेक्ट, डायरेक्ट, इनडायरेक्ट, डिसिप्लिन, इनडिसिप्लिन, कंप्लीट, इनकम्प्लीट. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट पेज नंबर 9. Some opposite words are formed by adding miss before the word. This like use, misuse, fortune, misfortune. Next, some words formed by adding ir or il, like regular, irregular. Here we are adding ir. Legal, illegal, il. Possible, impossible, im. So here we can, like this, we can also make the opposites. Some opposite words are formed by adding less in the place of full, like useful, useless, careful, careless. Word which are adding at the end of the word, they are called suffix. ओके, जिसे आप हिंदी में कह सकते हैं प्रत्यय. तो दे आर ऑल्सो हेल्प टू फॉर्म द वर्ड ऑपोजिट, टू फॉर्म ऑपोजिट वर्ड्स. ओके, नेक्स्ट रूल नंबर 7, सम ऑपोजिट वर्ड आर फॉर्म बाय रिप्लेसिंग ऑपोजिट prefix in the word, like inside, outside. Here the prefix is going to change, indoor, outdoor. Okay, next rule number 8, some word cannot be changed into opposite by above rule. Their opposite word are to remember, like they are totally changed, like good, bad, come, go, weak, strong, close, open. Here are some more opposite words. You have to read them many times, then it will help to learn. Afraid, brave, empty, full, small, big, black, white, deep, shallow, last, first, dirty, clean, many, few. Now remaining we are discussing in our next video. Hello student, welcome back to Bal Govindam Learning App. Here the page number is 10. You can see here are so many opposite words, like, dislike, right, left, bad, good, high, short, give, take, evil, good. Evil means बुरा and bad means also बुरा. That opposite is good. Worried, carefree. Great, little. Stupid, intelligent. Light, dark. Old, new. Near, far. Left, right. क्रूल, मर्सीफुल. क्रूल मीन्स निर्दयी और मर्सीफुल यानी जिसके अंदर दया हो. क्रूल का अपोजिट काइंड भी हो सकता है. ओके, KIND, काइंड, और मर्सीफुल बोथ आर राइट. ओवर, अंडर. पुअर, रिच. मॉर्निंग, इवनिंग. फॉरगेट, रिमेंबर. विक्ट्री, डिफीट. एबल, इनकेपेबल. एबल, अनेबल is also right or incapable is also right. Go, come. Now, busy, idle. Sad, happy. Correct, wrong. Night, day. Stop, start. Friend, enemy. Long, short. Fall, rise. Pleasant, unpleasant. Top, bottom. Same, different. Open, close. Loyal, disloyal. Loyal means वफादार. Disloyal means जो कि वफादार नहीं हो, धोखा दे. Buy, sell. After, before. Free, dependent. Often, seldom. Often means होता है अक्सर और seldom means होता है कभी कभार, यानी बहुत जो कम होता हो, कई बार, बहुत ही कम बार जो होता है. Often जो कि अक्सर होता है. Use, misuse. Appear, disappear. Easy, difficult. So student, here are so many opposite words. First of all, you have to learn all of them. Then you will be able to do the exercises. Okay, in our next video we will see the exercises. Thank you. Hello students, welcome to Bal Govindam Learning App. Here are some exercises. Exercise number 1. Here are some words are given in the bracket and you have to write the opposite. One day Shivam and Nitin got up. Here the word is late and the opposite is early. So Shivam and Nitin got up early. The school is ours. Let us clean it carefully. The opposite of carelessly. The elephant laughed, thinking how dash rats could help them. Here the opposite of big is small. Boys, at first be quiet. The opposite of loud, and listen to me patiently. You all are the student. Bad, opposite of bad is good student. In dash parts of India, Ramlila is organized during Navratris. Few, the opposite of few is many. See on the next page. The boy, the page number 11. The boy who write the word on the board first will dash a point. Spend means खर्च करना. Earn means लेना, कमाना. Pranayam decreases blood pressure. Decreases is the opposite of increases. One day a lonely boy named Pankaj dashed the lamp. Lost. The opposite of lost is found. When I drink dash water, I feel pain in my teeth. Hot. The opposite of hot is cold. So here you have to fill only in the book. Now see the exercise number 2. Here you have again same thing. You have to write the opposite of word that is given in the bracket. Now see it. When dash shines upon the stars, show their little light. Everything. The opposite of everything is nothing. Why are there so dash students in class today? Many. Opposite of many is few students. One year there was no rain, so the pond started to dash a wet. The opposite of wet is dry. Bring a dash stick. Short. The opposite of short is long. The princely states were loyal to the British. Disloyal, loyal. The state police went to Rastapal village to dash the school. Open to close. Roshan Lal dash cars. Hated, loved. He had driven an old dash car for so many years. Fast. The opposite of fast is slow. They went to the park for a dash walk. Evening. Here the opposite of evening is morning. So for a morning walk. In the beginning you may find it hard to sit in this pose. Easy. Easy. The opposite of easy is hard. Now come to the next. Here are some words which are lined and you have to write the opposite. You are telling a lie, but I am telling the truth. The opposite of lie is truth. Here you can find in the box also. We should give up bad habit but always follow good habits. The park of my colony is dirty, but the park of your colony is clean. Love girls and boys equal. The opposite of girls is boys. Men and women of Rajasthan are brave. The opposite of men is women. Now turn the page number 12. On the top you can see my father works in the field and my mother helps him. The opposite of father is mother. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. An elephant is a big animal, but a fox is a small animal. So student, like this you can you have to do all the exercises in the book only. Thank you. Remaining we will do in our next video.